Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
If you are new to our channel, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram.
Yes, so it's weekend here and we are at the park because it's still lockdown. So what's your plan for the weekend, Kanchi?
I have to shoot this video. I have to edit the video. Like we have to do that together. Do some grocery, do some basic cleaning, cook and prep myself for the next week because we are working from home. We are actually having like proper meals now.
Yes.
So खाना grocery shopping करनी है, बनाना है. So yeah.
That's a huge list.
Yeah, I know. I wish मुझे पता होता कि मैं जब इंडिया से यहाँ आ रही हूँ तो इतनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाएगी मेरी. और या वीकेंड इतना अडल्टहुड फील होता है कि क्या बताऊँ मैं अभी आपको.
So exactly ये वीडियो उसी के बारे में है. You know the reality check of Canada as international student.
Yeah.
When you come here, like how your typical day looks like here.
And I think ये as a student ही नहीं है, like we both are working right now, but I think अभी it is altogether more necessary कि आप ये सब चीज़ें weekend में ख़त्म कर लो so that you can have a smooth week.
Yes.
Otherwise बहुत problem हो जाता है बाद में.
So सबसे पहले लिस्ट में है cooking. And cooking ही नहीं करना है, आपको groceries भी करना है and you have to do like laundries and you know many other thing. So it's very important that you know like basic cooking, जो भी fast you know quick recipes है और जो आपको पसंद है वो आप इंडिया से ही या सीख के आए so that it's like easier for you and you don't miss घर का खाना.
Yeah, very important. And the second one would be कि यहाँ पे आते ही you will see there's a drastic climatic change overall. इंडिया में उतनी ठंडी नहीं होती है जितनी यहाँ पे होती है. And trust me, when you're waiting for TTC in -20 degrees or even in -10 degrees, you will have so many questions कि आप यहाँ क्यों आए हो, क्या कर रहे हो, all sorts of questions. But it will take some time. Definitely it will take some time because you actually feel very cold. यहाँ पे wind भी बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही है. 45 km/h की रेंज में विंड चलती है and it gets so cold. जितने भी कपड़े पहनो everything is just way too less. और मम्मी पापा नाना नानी सबकी याद आ जाती है वो टाइम पे. But I think give it some time and you can always be prepared, right? Be prepared while you're going out all the time. Don't underestimate the weather over here. Don't challenge it.
It's not like subtle, like it is
it's
cold,
harsh.
but again like summers are pleasant here, so that's a plus point.
Yeah.
But it's like very less time.
So please make sure that you're always prepared. Give it some time, you will be okay. Definitely be okay.
And itna like winter, like there's a like huge fluctuation in the weather, so it's very common to you know feel sick. जो बुखार है, you know the body ache है, बहुत normal है. So it's better that you bring some medicines, you know, from India or anywhere in the world if you're coming, because यहाँ पे कंसल्टेशन डॉक्टर का लाइक इट्स फ्री विथ द इंश्योरेंस ऑफ कोर्स, बट यहाँ पे मेडिसिन्स काफ़ी लाइक कॉस्टली है एंड प्लस यू विल नॉट गेट अ सेम ब्रांड एज इंडिया. सो जो भी बेसिक यू नो विक्स है, बाम है या क्रोसिन है, सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू ब्रिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया.
Yeah, for sure. And also the next would be traveling, right? Traveling is very different here because India में you have your bike, you have your Activa, you have रिक्शे वाले अंकल ऐसे हाथ दिखाओ रुक जाते हैं. यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई नहीं रुकता. We have only TTC and we have only like trains over here, and that could be little challenging for everybody who has their own personal vehicle because आप मैप पे चेक करते हो. अगर आप you know if you're going from A to B, you see कि car में it's only 15 minutes, right? But in bus it's 45 minutes to an hour, and that can be little challenging. And you can't always be spending money on Uber because it's very expensive. It's not that cheap.
Yeah,
right?
Especially winters में it's difficult.
Yeah.
So it's better that you're okay with that.
Yeah, you're okay. And also what you can do is if you are planning to get a vehicle, please be sure कि आप इंडिया से एकदम प्रॉपर ड्राइविंग सीख के आओ थोड़ा बहुत एटलीस्ट. तो यहाँ पे आपको कम लेसन्स लगेंगे बिकॉज यू विल फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज आपने बैक होम कंट्री में आपने ड्राइव करा है, राइट? सो दैट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू.
Yes. And the most important thing about here is odd jobs. यहाँ पे इंडिया से आने के बाद काफ़ी लोगों को बहुत odd लगता है odd jobs करने को, but it is absolutely fine because that's how you're paying school का fees and you know that's how you're surviving, buying groceries or paying bills. so it is absolutely okay
to do
यहाँ
that.
पे लोग फास्ट फूड में you know they work, you know, McDonald's है, Tim Hortons है, या सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हो गया, या कोई भी और जॉब हो गया. It is absolutely okay to do. That's how you learn, you know, that's how you will get Canadian experience. एंड जो भी बेसिक डॉलर्स है, सेंस है, यू विल कम टू नो, प्लस एक्सेंट है, जो भी कम्युनिकेशन है, सो इट्स ओके टू डू एंड इट्स वेरी गुड दैट यू आर डूइंग दैट.
या एंड प्लस यू गेट रिटेल इंडस्ट्री क्या बोलते हैं एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? एक्सपोजर मिलता है आपको प्रॉपर, विच विल हेल्प यू टू यू नो व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर योर जॉब्स, इट विल डेफिनेटली बी अ गुड
counted as experience.
Yeah, and it's respectable job. Everybody here is very cool about it, so please do not hesitate at any point. Second, the next would be, I think, money management, because it's very important कि you are aware about your expenses, you are aware about your incomes as well. We have credit cards with like $3,000, $5,000 limit, and you are spending money which you don't really have, so be careful with that, because if you are not paying that money right on time, again your credit score will take a hit probably, and जब आपको कार लोन या हाउस लोन लेनी है तो it will be difficult, because if you are not paying, it is leaving a very bad remark on your file, right?
यहाँ पे क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री सब कुछ है, like that's how you know you get loans and everything.
Mortgages उसी पे मिलती है.
Yes.
और secondly also like you know understand the basic accounting factors, right?
Yeah, like debit, credit, money is coming in, out, so important है. टैक्स का जो dates है, that is important, you know, to file the taxes on time. So ये छोटी छोटी बातें like which our parents used to do back home, we have to do it here.
Also paying your electricity bills, right? Like if you are taking a place on lease, you have to pay it on time, otherwise they are going to charge you like late fee charges लगा देते हैं. So it's always better that you are on top of all these things, otherwise you are already doing
Get
so
lost.
many things.
Yeah.
And you will also have a hit on your credit score at the same time.
Yeah. And another important thing is we feel it's communication barrier. Like हम लोग जब भी आ रहे थे इंडिया से, like we thought we should have, you know, the fluent English होना चाहिए, proper, you know, होना चाहिए सब कुछ, but ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे people are very friendly and यहाँ पे बहुत ही diverse culture है, जैसे इंडिया में होता था. Like people are here all over the world. चाइना से है, अफ्रीका से है, like so many places, and they don't have either, like, you know, fluent English. As long as you are able to, you know, convey your message, it is absolutely okay कि आपका, you know, English थोड़ा
grammatical errors है तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because सब समझते हैं कि immigrants के कंट्री है और English definitely सबकी first language नहीं है. They all understand this very well and they are very supportive. They won't even make you feel like, oh, you are speaking, you know, incorrect English.
They will correct you and they will not even, you know, make you feel कि आप गलत बोल रहे हैं. So in general यहाँ पे हम लोग का तो काफ़ी अच्छा experience है. You know, people are helpful. They are always, you know, correcting us, and you should be also flexible to learn, because that's how you're going to learn. You have to communicate more and more. जितना ज़्यादा आप, you know, community में जा रहे हो या बात कर रहे हो, उतना आप भी सीख रहे हो. So it's very important here.
Yeah, and moreover, if you are hesitant या आप interact नहीं करोगे तो आप definitely you will feel कि आप you know homesick हो, थोड़ा communication नहीं कर पा रहे हो, because इंडिया में हम इतने सारे लोगों से surrounded होते हैं, joint families है, friends, colleagues, इतने सारे लोग होते हैं अपने around में कि we never feel lonely there, right?
Yeah.
We hardly feel in fact lonely, whereas अगर आप यहाँ पे सबके साथ interaction नहीं कर रहे हो तो chances है that you will ultimately feel that you are alone and you will kind of miss your home, right? And which is very common. Like till date I feel kind of homesick, but always remember to ask for help and always talk to your friends. Let them know that you're feeling homesick, because you can go out for a walk, you can meet for a coffee, and that's what we all do here. Like we just tell the other person that we are feeling little low, right?
Yeah, especially winter में थोड़ा difficult है, because यहाँ पे 4-5 बजे sunset हो जाता है, and it gets like very dull, and like you have nothing to do outside, so you have to find something within. So that comes to our next point, is having additional skills. For example, अगर आपको cooking पसंद है तो वो मतलब you can enjoy in house, right? Dance है, painting है, ये कुछ अगर आप सीख रहे हो, then you will enjoy your own company if you don't have others.
And also do something in your professional field. अगर आप finance में हो, learn about the taxes. You can help your people to pay taxes, right?
Yeah.
And you can earn money out of it too. Like I go to this person who is helping me with my taxes, who was also an international student at some point, right?
Yes.
And while I was studying here, I used to teach Garba, and that kind of helped me to not only like from the money point of view, but I love doing it, and that's why that's what we all are doing, right? We started this YouTube channel because we wanted to like try different things and be busy, because that will keep you occupied and you will not have enough time to think about all the other things or compare your life to your friends in India, right?
Yes. And also you can learn some professional skills जैसे Microsoft Office
Excel.
हो गया, Excel है, Word है, PowerPoint है, या फिर अगर आप IT से हो, so you can learn some software, SQL है, Java है, so always you can learn that. And क्योंकि यहाँ पे like mostly like it's like very practical here, and they assume that you should know like basic Excel, right?
Yeah, and also like my recent experience was that I recently changed my job, and in my interview questions also they used to be like, what do you do in your free time? And you can't just be like, oh, I love to read book, because next question is what kind of books are you reading, who is your favorite author? So they are like very particular and they like to discuss these things. So it's good to have an hobby just so that you can have common grounds to talk about, right?
Yes. So I think that's it. The most common points that we faced and we wanted to share with you guys. So let us know in the comment section below how you spend your weekend, and if you're here, we would like to meet you and know.
Yeah, for sure. Like DM us on Instagram anytime, and
Yes.
we can plan something, right?
Yes.
Hopefully, if
Yes.
there's not another like severe lockdown.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and follow us on Instagram. And
Yes.
let us know if you have any comments or any questions in the comment section down below. And मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Bye.
Bye.